Well, hello everybody and welcome to another video on My Life Vibes. Today is a special video because today I'm gonna pick up a new motorcycle, and that's a special one. So in the last video you might hear me rambling about my new motorcycle that I'm planning to buy, which is the BMW R1200GS Adventure.
Lies and smears and slander.
Because I'm currently still having the amazing BMW R1200GS Adventure. But, well, sometimes you just fall in love, right? And you make rash, stupid decisions. Well, today is something like that. Well, not stupid, because it's an amazing motorcycle and I can't wait to show it to you. So I'm gonna pick it up and you're gonna follow me to the motorcycle store where I'm gonna pick up that motorcycle. So let's hop on and jump on the BMW. So, hello everybody, we're back again. We just pulled out the BMW. Let's go for a cold start. I think the flaps are open, so let's go. Last ride, man. The final ride on the black beast. But still, it is kind of a sad moment, I must say. Because if it's up to me, I will never do away or sell one of my motorcycles. But well, you saw the place that I am living, or the shed, and it's not one of the biggest places, so I need to sell it, and that's what I did. So, but I promise you, the motorcycle that I bought back, oh look at that, that's a big tent they made. So let's see what we're final ride, and then you're gonna see my new motorcycle. Am I going to keep this? Oh, the cyclist decided to go through orange. Oh, boof. That was a boof. So tell me maybe in the comments if you care to watch these videos, like how does it feel for you guys when saying goodbye to your old lover, your old bikes, and then saying hello to the new one? It's also always, for me, it's a mixed moment of joy, but also a moment of like, oh man, I really like this thing here, you know. I like the ride of this BMW and the trust it gave me in riding extremely hard and fast in the mountains where we've been. Where at that point in time I didn't make video content yet, so but yeah, we're going to do it. So what do you think I got? Well, I can't even hold it in anymore. So basically the last tour, I think a couple of years back, somebody in my motorcycle group, he rode that KTM 1290 SAS, or the Super Adventure S, and
wow,
the thing just sounded incredible. It looked incredible. It's a bit more sleek compared to this BMW. And well, it's a Kawasaki, but yeah, that made me think. I saw the machine and was like, hey, look at that, that's my brother's, a lot of brothers, and a BMW R1250, I think, completely black, nice. So, but that made me think. It made me think, like, man, I like that machine. It has so much power. Like the trustworthiness of this BMW is just is great, you know. You know that this thing will never let you down. It always starts, and it always will take you wherever you need to go. But yeah, that KTM, that just had something. The rawness of the startup, and the when you pulled when you're flatted out, or you opened up the throttle completely. My God, that thing just took off like a rocket. And for me, this motorcycle isn't particularly slow. It has so much torque. It has so much torque that you know that this thing will keep up perfectly in the mountains. Like, because of the boxer engine, it just, look at this, it moves, and I'm not doing anything. It's just complete maneuverability without any surprises at all. Well, look at that. That's the one that invented that. Those machines that take pictures of you and make you pay fines. My gosh, I hate those. But hey, so yeah, the trust, the way this motorcycle moves and those kind of things is just perfect. But I wanted to have something a bit more exciting, and not to say that this BMW isn't exciting. It is, and you know, you can do a lot of things with this also off-road, and it just has a certain way of trust. Let's say it again, like trust also off-road. When you take this heavy big machine off-road, you know this will not let you down. But the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S, I saw it and I was like, oh yeah, that just gives me the freaks. And that's what I wanted back. So I decided to play around a bit and and get that machine. So join me in picking it up together, because we are going to go to IJsselstein, to Ari Molenaar's Motors. That's the place that I got the motorcycle. That's also, by the way, the place that I got this BMW from, because they have two dealerships. One that is like mostly focused at KTM, and a couple of other brands as well, like Honda, and there's then the other on the other side of the street. They've got a BMW only dealership. That guy went through a red light. So here we go, bit of riding. Last time riding the GS. My gosh. That's a funny sticker. So yeah, I kind of will miss this, the trust and the ease of this. There's also a lot of, let's say, ease. And oh look, those are my brothers. They're probably gonna go and have a motorcycle trip. As I see, they've got suitcases, and that's a GS Super. Yeah, the back one. That is definitely an R1250. Hello, everybody. Enjoy. Yep, they're gonna have a trip. Yeah, that's amazing. Motorcycle trips are like, yeah, maybe it's the cowboy in us, right? When we were riding on the horses, we went home with the baggage on our tails, and just you know, the bags on our tails, and we just went. And you just stop wherever you want to go. That's the kind of freedom that, yeah, this motorcycle does give you. Well, this is going to be a bit of a dangerous way, but yeah, it's okay. And that was the fun again. there's a speed camera. That was the word I couldn't find just now. The thing that takes pictures of you. The longest description ever from for a speed camera. I'm sorry guys, but for me, as you can see, it's oh no, yeah, the timing is over there. It is still a bit in the morning. I have a free day today, so I just woke up, and well, yeah. So yeah, guys, we are arrived, and woman. I hope everybody watches this channel and they like the content. But over there you can see Ari Molenaar Motors BV. And we are here. I see as well Honda, Kawasaki. They got almost any brand. And we are here. We arrived at the place that I'm gonna pick up the new motorcycle. So yeah, I'm just gonna park it over here. And we can say hi. Hi. And then we can say a last walk around of this amazing beast, because we're gonna say bye to it. Oh, I forgot my blinker. Guilty, I forgot my blinker as well. Just look at it. It is a great looking motorcycle. Black exhaust, black headers. My god. And then we got a great front end. I'm gonna miss you, man. It's a great motorcycle. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the new bike. So I need to be a bit careful, because the bike has new tires. So it's a bit slippery, for which I need to watch out. So that's why I'm doing careful, because it's a new motorcycle. So today is a special day because, well, it's the first ride on the new KTM. So what do you guys think? After the walk around, I will do a bit more introduction yet or about the motorcycle and what it's about. So, but welcome to this new KTM. It's a KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. So we've got two basic models. The internet is full of it. That is an S and an R version. The S version is more street orientated and the R version is more off-road orientated. For me, I wanted a bit of a mix of both. So like that, let's say the spoked wheels, I like them very much. They will come eventually on this bike, but sadly the lead times of KTM for those rims are like 2 months. And I'm gonna go on tour soon where I wanted to take this motorcycle with me. So that's why, yeah, currently there's still the old rims on it. But yeah,
tell me, what do you think? Did I make a good decision trading in the BMW to the KTM? For me, I think having this kind of motorcycle is just, yeah, it's great because, you know, this one, it is so much more aggressive compared to the GS. I like the GS, as I stated earlier when I was riding towards Molenaar Motors. By the way, Molenaar Motors, they did a kind service because I'm gonna go back because, as you can see, they left a wire because I opted to get the Zumo XT, which I will review soon on the motorcycle. But as you can see, it's currently empty. But they did extra work and they already wired it to the battery, which I think is great that they did that kind of service. So and that they did that without asking and just thinking with me, because they say, hey, this guy opted for that screen. That is great. So yeah, it's getting used to, but this thing is so fast, and currently it's on rain mode because, yeah, I'm riding it like this in this mode because of a couple of things. One, it is a bit rainy today. It's still okay in temperature, but there is it's a bit rainy, and when having new tires, there's kind of a grease on the tire, and that makes the motorcycle slippery. And well, there's no wood to knock on right now, but I just don't want to fall down when I just received a new motorcycle. But I'm so happy. So now I'm just gonna shut up. Hopefully you can hear the engine a bit, but yeah, there's going to be an exhaust change soon. Hello, because this exhaust sounds, yeah, too stock for me.
And now I decided to cut up this video. I really hope that you like this content and that you like this video picking up this new motorcycle. In the next video I'm going to introduce you a bit more to this motorcycle, and we're going to fix some accessories. The one that's the most important, of course, is the exhaust. We're going to change the KTM stock exhaust to the SC Project exhaust that I bought a while back. I hope I will see you in the next video. Keep watching, and hopefully you can give me a like and a subscribe. Thank you.